Meaning of elegy.
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 Elegy. An elegy is a poem or song that expresses sorrow and mourning for someone who has died. It typically laments the loss of a loved one and conveys feelings of grief and sadness. Elegies are often written in a formal and somber style and may include references to death, the afterlife, and the deceased person's life and virtues. The word elegy comes from the Greek word elegia, which means funeral lament. Elegies can provide a powerful way to express and share emotions in times of mourning and remembrance.